Hello, my name is Robbie Brenton, and we will be answering the question for Mr. Voungs' grade 12 precall class. Draw at least one period of the graph y equals -1 cos pi over 3 x minus 3 plus 1 by transformations and describe the characteristics. So the first step would be to graph the base graph, which looks like this. The second step would be to apply the first transformation, which is flipping it. That graph looks like that. The second step would be to apply the 1/2 stretch, which makes the graph look like this. The next step would be to apply the pi over 3 stretch, which makes the graph look like that. The fourth step would be to apply the transformation of 3 units to the right, which makes the graph look like that. And the final step would be to apply the transformation of moving the graph completely up 1 unit, which makes the graph look like that. The final thing we would have to do would be to list all the transformations that we do, and that is reflecting along the x-axis, vertical stretch by a factor of 1/2, horizontal stretch by a factor of 3 over pi, because a horizontal stretch is by the inverse of the absolute value of b, which was pi over 3, so we take the inverse of pi over 3, and that is 3 over pi. We translated it 3 units to the right, and we translated it 1 unit up. And that is how you solve that question.